Welcome to the Stock Watch List. This is my midweek update. The market was down as a whole on Monday, mostly due to the global oil benchmark falling to a near 6-year low. We did have some standouts, including TKMR. So Tuesday started off by data reports noting that Chinese exports were up 9.9%. The market started on fire. Everything was going great. Amazing. Then the bottom fell out. Let's dissect the aftermath. Baba was down 1.36% Monday, but started picking up steam early in the morning, opening at 102.53. I felt with all the good news that we had over the weekend that we could really get going after yesterday's funk. Then boom, a bomb exploded and we were in the red. I'm glad we didn't hit last week's low of 99.9, but we do have some breaking news to add though. Alibaba is buying a controlling stake in digital marketing firm Ad China. No numbers were released yet. Let's hope this news can keep it from testing 97 range. And news just broke that Alibaba is going to partner with the Chinese medical giant within a state-dominated healthcare system. This will form a partnership into China's largest drug maker to boost online pharmaceutical sales and investing millions in the firm. This is a company that has the Chinese generic version of Viagra. Post your guess for Wednesday's close in the comments. Tesla. It's been one of the bigger names getting directly affected by oil prices. Monday marked the second time in the last month we fell under 200. As I mentioned in my last video, I felt we could hit 195 soon. While we didn't get there during normal trading hours, Elon Musk was set to speak after hours at the Detroit Auto Show. He started off by saying the sales were down in China for the fourth quarter. Instantly, shares dipped. Also, he noted that Tesla would not be profitable until 2020. This caused the shares to hit an after-hours low of 188 and closed at 191.95. This may start Wednesday off on the worst way. Apple, which was down 2.46% on Monday, got off to a powerful surge and was able to hold it even though the market dumped. With strong PC sales reported late Monday and a patent directly competing with GoPro, shares were able to hold up, which led to a sell-off in GoPro, and it was down as low as 48.23 and closed down 12%. This felt like a punch to the gut because I'm holding for earnings. I had mentioned in my last video that I felt we could cycle in the 108 to 113 range with Apple, which we did today. So it's looking good. Earnings are soon, and it will be a top stock to watch. There is still downside potential because the market is so volatile, but it is also possible to see 120 in a few weeks. Time Warner shook off Monday's slump and started really hot this morning, going as high as 150.81. Then, like everyone else, the bottom fell out. Time Warner closed at 147.30, and that's not good because Obama spoke again late on Tuesday, asking the FCC to remove legal barriers to competition by internet service providers. Last time Obama spoke about this topic, he called for internet service providers to be treated like a utility, which shot Time Warner as low as 134. This is not good news. With an already bearish feel to Wednesday, this could add to the agony. TKMR was the star of the show on Monday, and with the announcement of the merger with Encore to find a hepatitis B cure, shares rose over 57%. On Tuesday, though, we sold off about 7% of those gains. This will be an interesting stock to watch the rest of the week. With so much downside possible and upside available, it's a mystery where this is going to go on Wednesday. With the claims on Monday of ISIS hacking on Twitter and YouTube, we saw Twitter fall about 2%. Now, we found out Twitter is in talks with ZipTile, a mobile marketing company based in China. This may have helped it to keep it going from the red on Tuesday. While there is no official word, this is something to keep an eye out for the rest of the week. Wells Fargo, by being down on Monday and Tuesday, looks like the trend is going to continue through earnings, which is set to be before market opens on Wednesday. We might get a surprise and hit over 54, but it's more than likely that we're heading south to 49.25, which is a 5% decrease from Tuesday's close. With options expiring on Friday, we may see a ton of action in the above-mentioned stocks. Thanks for taking the time out of your day to watch my charts and analysis. Please subscribe to my channel so you can get the next update going into Friday.